What's up, guys? More Medic One here, and today we're going to be doing an oil change on the new shop truck. Y'all check this thing out. It's pretty cool. It's a 2002 F-150 with almost 500. No, I'm just kidding. Yeah, well, it's got almost 500,000. But let me introduce you to the new shop truck. Haven't made a name for it yet. This was always Blackie. Maybe this can be something that you guys can help name. It's a 2024 Toyota Tacoma with the 4-door and a 5-foot box, and it's only 2-wheel drive. And got a little advertisement going on there, thanks to my buddy Jeff over there in Kaufman at his little tent and wrap shop. Did that really good up for me. But let's get under the hood and see what we're dealing with. So the engine that we chose is the 2.4 liter little 4-cylinder engine, and as you can tell, it's pretty packed in there. Just like all modern cars, it's just wires everywhere. Looks like it's still going to be pretty easy to work on though. But let's go underneath and see if we have to take any splash shields off or anything like that to be able to change the oil on this sucker. All right, so here is the oil pan. As you can tell, it's just got a little bitty oil pan with just a few screws holding it on. There's your drain plug right there. I like that design because you just don't have an oil pan gasket like you would normally, except right there on the oil drain. I guess that's made of plastic. It's just, like I said, it's just a couple screws, so oil leaks at a minimal if it ever sprung a leak. Now it does have a splash shield here if you want to get at the oil filter right there, and the oil cooler, and it's just held on by, it looks like 12. There's 1, 2, there's 4. So let's get our little electric ratchet and see if we can't get this off. All right, let's see if we can't get these two in the back. And then the two in the front up here. Just slide out of the way, and that'll give us gobs of room to get to the oil filter. We'll get the right wrench for that. See if I got one. I love this set. It's got every filter wrench you could ever want, and it fits this Toyota factory filter. I'm gonna go ahead and put a factory one back on there. It's the N1 filter, super common. All right, let's see if we can't loosen this Mohican up without making a mess. It looks like it's got a built-in kind of a drain there. looks like it's gonna drip just a little bit. Let's see if I can get my ratchet off of here. All right. Now we can finish taking it off by hand. Oh yeah. It's going to drain on the dead gum. Frame rail, but not too bad. That oil filter, that oil cooler holds a lot of oil. We'll sit there and let that drain for a little bit. Go ahead and wet your gasket with some oil and screw it on. And just about a half a turn. That ought to be plenty right there. Not real sure what size the drain plug is. It feels like a 14, but I'll grab a 15 just in case. That is definitely a 14. And let's see. Oh yeah. It wasn't on there just super tight either. It's just barely cracking. It's already letting it drain. Let's see if I can spin that off of there. I don't know. May have to adjust my pan once I get it. I'm just gonna spin this off and I'm gonna let the bolt drop into my pan because I ain't that good. I just don't wanna make a mess. Here we go, there we go. Perfect. Oh, bumped you. No, don't make a mess. Oh, you're making a mess. Oh, you dumb. Get over here. Ah, look at the mess. I am not smart. That oil is so thin, it's like water. I know how to do it next time, though. Know how to do it next time, though. One thing that I have learned, though, if you'll get this oil up right away, it won't make near as much of a stain on your concrete. Man, I can't believe I did that. Oh well. Everybody ain't perfect. Well, that sun is glaring. Oh no, some people put new gaskets on their drain plug. This one's fine. And you don't have to tighten the crap out of it. And I'm just going to tighten it pretty much where they had it lined up with their 2 dots from here to here. The oil that I'll be running in this truck is going to be the Royal Purple 520. Due to I live kind of in a hotter climate year round, and the spec is 0 W20, but 5W20 will work just fine. I've been running Royal Purple in my F-150 with almost 500,000 miles. This is what I've used in it for over 22 years. So if I can say anything good about an oil, I guess Royal Purple is probably about one of the best ones you can put in. So let's go ahead and get her dumped in. It takes about 6 quarts to fill this thing up. Go ahead and get it cranked. We'll check for leaks before we put that splash shield back on. I believe we're good there on the filter, and I don't believe we're leaking. We're good to go. I do want to kind of wipe this oil off of here. All it's going to do is collect road dirt. Let's get it backed off of these ramps. And I'll show you how to reset the oil minder. So use your left button, go down to the gear, scroll over, to the gear again, hit OK. Oops, go over. Hit the gear, hold OK, so you hold this down to change the settings. Trailer settings, scheduled maintenance, oil maintenance. It says, do you want to reset the data? Yes. Reset complete. Alrighty guys, I appreciate you guys coming along with me while we changed the oil in the old Tacoma. And if you like this type of content, please give me a thumbs up and smash that subscribe button. My voice has kind of been lost a couple days. I've been kind of coughing and sneezing. I don't know if it's the weather changing or what. But anyway, y'all have a good rest of your week. More Medic One.